I am super happy with this bookshelf. I specifically like how tall the shelves are and how tall it is overall. Sometimes with bookshelves, it's hard to find ones that have a lot of room in between shelves, but this one really does. It has a really pretty matte black metal frame, and the feet have these really pretty details. And then this crossbar detail in the back is not just pretty, but it also helps keep it nice and stable. The shelves have a really pretty wood grain look to them, and overall the shelf is pretty lightweight, so it is easy to move around. It requires assembly, but it was super easy to put together and took about 25 minutes. It comes with easy to follow instructions, all of the hardware and tools that you're going to need to put it together, so you don't need anything extra. I had a lot of fun decorating it, and I feel like this would be great in any room. It just helps create storage, or it creates a place for you to display your decorative items. And since the shelves are so tall, it can work really nicely as a record cabinet. You could put a record player on the top shelf, and then the shelves are the right size to hold all of the vinyls. I'm very happy with it, so I can definitely recommend it.